Welcome back. In this two-part series, today we're going to talk about how 3D is changing commerce forever, and today we're talking about part 2, business. So business fact number 1, 3D product configuration allows businesses to scale way beyond the limits of traditional photography. In 1930, photography started to be used commercially for products. It quickly grew into the primary way products were depicted visually for marketing and advertising, and it maintains that status today. So over the years, there have been innovations to speed up the photography process, but overall it remains a time-intensive and costly one. And the majority of brands today are held captive by a technology that's more than 90 years old. The frustratingly slow speed and high cost of photography has only been magnified by the rise of customization. The average cost of a finished product image in 2020 was $25. So if you had 10 products with just 3 simple customizations each, and you want the recommended 8 photos of each configuration, you now need 240 photos, which will cost $6,000 before accounting for other costs like shipping, time spent, etc. For brands with a product that's configurable or customizable, or that has any set of rules really, product photography severely diminishes the overall returns of offering customization in the first place. But with a high-end 3D platform, like 3Kit for example, brands can escape this trap. For example, with 3Kit's help, Crate & Barrel created over 3 million images of every potential configuration of a couch in less than a month, for a small fraction of the cost of traditional photography. So business fact number 2, 3D configurators built in-house are difficult to make, expensive, and challenging to maintain long-term. Some companies try to create homegrown 3D or 2-3 configurators. The challenge with this approach is that when an aspect of the product is changed, say a customer wants to add a new material or color, the homegrown configurator needs to be significantly rewritten. The key to business success with 3D lies in marrying the commercial and the creative sides of 3D. So you have to be able to take all rules and definitions of a product and map those rules into interactive 3D, virtual photography, and augmented reality. When new product additions or changes are made, those changes are seamlessly integrated from the rules section into 3D, usually instantly and without coding. Business fact number 3. 3D files are being used everywhere in the business cycle and are easily transferable. Take design, for example. Business cycles in every category from fashion to manufacturing are speeding up. Companies must go from design to production to marketing faster than ever because buyers and competitors are demanding that they keep up. And in these cases, 3D is an active file that can be easily changed and adapted with new features, colors, and materials all in real time. This replaces what would be a manual process in Photoshop or CAD in which each change must be painstakingly drawn for each variation to look true to life. And marketing is another example. 3D is incredibly useful for marketing. The first benefit is through clienteling. Imagine that you're a custom jeweler and a customer comes and buys an engagement ring. Now imagine that in 3 to 6 months before the wedding. You send that very same customer targeted automated email showing how various wedding rings fit with the engagement ring they bought. Another key marketing application is made possible by new innovations on online advertising. Google recently announced their general release to 3D ads, so now 3D users can enter interactive 3D ads directly into the Google Ad Display Network. And lastly, manufacturing and workflow. Last but not least, 3D is portable and built to be transferable. 3Kit, for example, accepts 75 different file formats and can export each visual into many different formats. That means the visuals generated can impact every step in your product journey. Perhaps most importantly, they can be sent directly to manufacturers and machines with clear guidance on how the product should be built. And if this is something that you're interested in and you think that you need a 3D configurator, maybe as powerful as 3Kits or a virtual photographer, schedule some time with us. The links are below in the description. We'd be happy to show you a demo or just a consult to see how your project is progressing and how we can help. And if you like this material, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much.